The African Chemical Society is an organization in the U.S. which comprises about 160,000 members. Actually, it's the biggest and the largest professional organization in the U.S. It's made up of chemists and chemical engineers. And every year, they give an award to scientists who have helped to solve problems in the society. Well, this year, we are lucky that two of our drugs, omadacycline and sericycline, were approved into the U.S. market at the same time. This year, they awarded 4 of such awards to 4 groups. The first one was given to Paratech, where I worked, and we came out with 2 new medicines for the treatment of resistant bacteria and also one for acne. So that is the award which was given to us. I feel very honored to have 2 drugs on the market, and I think that we said God sent us to this world and there are challenges and we might solve them. And I hope that we can utilize this knowledge also to solve several of the problems that is going on in Ghana. Some years now, within the last 3 years, 4 years, we are being bothered by the fall armyworm. And I sit in this office and I say, can we solve this problem? We can. And as we talk later on, I and my group have developed a product here for the treatment of the fall armyworm. Such are the things. We do not have to go far to bring people to solve this problem because there are scientists in the country. I've been back in Ghana for some time now. It's over 10 years, and I set up this company. And the purpose of setting up this company is not just to make drugs which are there, but to solve problems in Ghana, challenges which the outsiders are not doing for us. We've got quite a lot of drugs out there. Some of them are mosquito repellents. We have drugs for the hospitals for surgery. We have drugs for the Agbeko sector for fumigation. So I've been trying very hard to put back into the society the knowledge that I've acquired outside. Putting the knowledge back into the system becomes a challenge because after you have developed these novel drugs, how to sell it becomes a major challenge. Most of the market is owned by the government, and the government people to buy from you is very difficult. The government sector continues to be a problem because when we have sold things to the government for a couple of years, we lose the market because they will import the same thing from outside and displace us. That is very, very difficult for me. If they had patronized our products, I should be able to have about 500 employees here by now. It's been my objective to develop insecticides which are not toxic. So we developed a series of products called the blasters. And the blasters are made from a flower which is grown in Kenya. It's called pyrethrum. And the chemicals in it are not toxic. If you put it on your food and you eat it, you will not die. You see, here, put it in my mouth, it will not kill me. So we have made a range of products from it, some for mosquitoes, and some for housefly, cockroaches, and then some for spraying the cocoa sheds at cocoa board. When the problem of the fall armyworm came, I decided to explore it for that purpose. And why I did that is because the products that I use on food. You know, beans, maize, corn. Ideally, whatever is used on it should not be toxic to the human beings. So, and that is what the blasters are for. They are very effective. They kill several insects, but they do not kill the human being. But what we decided to look out to do a study that they will not destroy the plants on which we are spraying. So we team up with the scientists at the University of Ghana, and they took the products and tested it at the Pone farms. And they came out with their report, I think last month, whole report, which we sent to the EPA, and they've registered the product mainly for the fall armyworm. Okay, so hopefully this year they'll be using it. Since you are here also, we can develop it for other crops. Actually, they tested it in okra and cabbage, and they are also very effective over there. When you talk about the fall armyworm, it has different stages. Yes. So it kills the larva, it kills the, what do you call it, the insect, and also the eggs, which is very good. So ideally, if you could target the insect, so that it's the insect which spreads the disease from one corn to the other. So if you have a chemical which can wipe all of them, then you have a very good drug. And that's exactly what we have got in our hand.